Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to design Instagram stories using Unfold app. We're currently on our Unfold app and this is the dashboard, and at the top you can see some options. Of course, at the top left corner you can see the plus icon, but right here you can see reel, story, post, etc. If you don't find what you're looking for, you can tap on the plus icon there and then you have some options. Of course, we saw story and we're seeing story once again. We're going to tap on story because that's what we want to do. Here you can see choose a starting point. You could choose your starting point to be a media, template, or blank. We're going to choose template, and right here you have several nice options to play with. You could go through the options and make your pick. So we're going to choose this one right here. Summer, you have 2 frames, one is a video and one is a photo. So we're going to use this template, and right here you can see summer at the top and there are 2 frames to put some media. You could tap on the first frame and it's going to take you to your gallery. So we're going to choose some pictures, just about 2 of them. And at the top right corner, you can see the arrow pointing up. So tap on it. And right there, you can see 2 pictures. Of course, these are random pictures just to show you what you'll need to do. And then at the top, you can see summer. And at the bottom, you can see a season of warmth and sunshine. You could decide to change the text by double tapping on summer and say foodie. So after writing foodie, you have some options at the top of your keyboard. You're going to tap on one of them, change the color if you want. We like the red, so we're fine with it. And you could go through these different options, such as the text font, and then change it. We're fine with Canala, so we're going to leave it there. Bring this down, and of course you could decide to zoom in or zoom out by tapping on the frame you want, and then you can zoom in or out. We're going to do this for the first picture as well. Just zoom in, just to get rid of the black frames, and we're good to go. Then you can see a season of warmth and sunshine. You could double tap on the area and say savor the taste. Tap away and that will be saved. Now at the bottom left corner of your template, you can see the eye icon just above the text icon. Tap on the eye icon and this will show you how it's going to look like. If that's fine, you could tap on it and it's going to go back. And then at the bottom, you can see some other customization options such as the background. You could tap on background and you could change it to another color. You could leave it in yellow and that's what it looks like. With this, you could go ahead at the top right corner, tap on share, and this will help you to share it directly to your Instagram stories. You could decide to save it to your device, share it on your stories, or other options. So this is how to design Instagram stories using Unfold app.